Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. First and foremost, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to guide you, mentor you, and put you on the track of health and fitness where you don't need me any longer. I'll always be there for you. But I want you to know that your health is a priority. And for you to have a huge impact on your health, I don't want you to think that there is a big mountain on my head and I don't know what to do. I know that a lot of you don't see the light at the end of the tunnel. And I've worked with so many people in the last 30 years and I know what you're going through because of my experience. But in this video, I want to make it really, really easy for you. There's a lot of information out there, but the practical things that I'm going to tell you today. 3 important things that will impact your health, make your body and your mind very fit is most important. But what I want you to do is I want you to stay with me right till the end. Why? Because at the end, the third one that I want to give you, the third tip that I want to give you is going to be the most impactful one that has helped me to stay consistent. See, if you want to make health your priority and if you want to make a huge impact on yourself, on your own health, the first thing that you need to know and understand that physical activity is important. Now, a lot of my homemaker friends think that then as I do a lot of my homework, on my housework, I'm dusting, cleaning, I get you. That is important. But some form of physical activity where you are working with your entire body at least 4 to 5 times in a week, so that all the aches and pains that you're going through, the neck, the back, the knees, all that just reduces, and that way you're going to be able to do all your dusting, cleaning, buttons, all that you can do very easily. And for all my working professionals, you must understand that you need to take out time for a physical activity. Now, physical activity need not be just a yoga or a walk. Choose an activity that you enjoy. It could be going and playing football. Like my younger son Zishan, he loves to play football. So once in a week on Friday after work, they've all formed a group and they all go and play football. So it could be an activity that you do with your family or your friends. A lot of you like music, and I know that a lot of you are part of my community. You are loving the aerobic classes that I'm taking for you. So you choose an activity that is fun for you. When you choose your own activity that you really and truly enjoy, it's not a workout, it becomes fun. Exercising is critical, and the more you make it fun for yourself, it will be more impactful on your health journey. So choose that activity. Physical activity is super important. Number 2, you know what I'm going to talk to you about. Number 2 is prioritizing what you eat. And I was, on a lighter note, I was talking to my Dinas Fitness community members, and they were saying that Dinas, we have no control on our food. So I gave them a really cool hack, and I'm going to give you this hack right now. Okay? Have something like a stapler around you. Okay? And every time you want to put something which is not going to nourish your body, just imaginarily staple your mouth. And that was on a lighter note. Please don't really do it. But prioritizing your health by way of eating the right foods is very easy to say, but is very difficult to implement because we are living together in families. Some of you have joint families and you don't have the control of what's being put on the table. But what you can do is you can start educating your family members that whole foods, grains, lot of colorful vegetables and fruits is the need of the hour, and the entire family needs it. So by talking about it and by bringing these things home, you can make it a family affair. And when you make it a family affair, according to me, it becomes much easier. So don't get worked up about diets. Don't get worked up about what you want to eat. Eat whatever you want to eat, but exercise what I call as portion control. So when you're sitting at a table, aram se sit and eat your food slowly, eat your food mindfully, rather than sitting on your mobile phone, getting distracted with television and then sitting and eating more. So the first thing was exercising and making fitness a priority and choosing an activity that you really like. The second one was eating more whole foods, eating more greens, eating more vegetables and fruits, and making it a family affair. But the third one is the most important for you. And if you miss out this third one, you're going to never be successful in your journey. Number 3 is to rewire your mind, where you tell yourself that you are a priority for your own health. Now what I want you to do is, I want you to sit with me right now in this video, and all I want you to do is close your eyes as you're watching this video. Close your eyes, just inhale and exhale and breathe in and breathe out. Just calm your body, calm your mind. Don't look at your screen. And as you breathe in and breathe out, and as you're relaxing your body, I want you to chant this mantra along with me. My health is a priority. My health is a priority today. For me, making health a priority is important. My health is important so that I can help my family. And continue to keep your eyes closed. I am a priority. My health is a priority. I am a priority. My health is a priority. I am leading a healthy life. I am leading a fit life. I nourish my food. I nourish my body with spiritual food. I am fit. I am strong. And I am healthy. Slowly open your eyes. Come back to the room. This is what I call mind programming. Our diamond members in our Dinars Fitness community are getting amazing results only and only because of using the techniques of the law of attraction which I have taught them, and attracting good health rather than focusing on only workouts or focusing on diets. Today is the requirement for you to get out of the emotional rut that you are in, to rewire your mind, to reprogram your mind, and understand that health is your priority, and that starts from your mind and not from your body. Let me know in the comments below how you really felt by just doing this 1 minute of mind programming that I helped you. And I can't wait to see you in the community, because that's where all the magic happens. Click on the link in the description box. See me in the free webinar, see in my free masterclass, and I'll give you a more detailed plan of how to take this journey and make it a priority for yourselves. Make sure that if you are new, subscribe to my channel, like and share. Let's together create health warriors and make India healthy and fit. Thank you.